In recent days, the weather in our country has been quite unstable. We remind you that a powerful storm in Burgas on Saturday. A state of emergency was declared in some places. Serious material damage was caused. In Burgas, trees were felled, houses were demolished, yachts were pulled into the sea and people were injured. This is only part of the balance of elements. The municipality of Pomor declared the partial state of emergency and gathered a crisis headquarters. They eliminate the consequence of bad weather. A total of 4 people were injured by the hurricane that hit Burgas yesterday afternoon. 2 women were injured after the ceiling of the indoor swimming pool in the hotel fell. An 18-year-old boy has a broken collarbone after the wind knocked him off a trampoline for quarters in Burgas. In some neighborhood, a woman was cut by broken glass, and this time the crisis headquarters of the municipality is also meeting. The regional government of Burgas explained that the stimulation has returned to normal, but the damage is huge and no calculation have yet been made as to how much it will cost. The owner to the board told Nova TV that his vessel was among the damaged ones. A nearby establishment had its roof blown off, breaking it and neighboring boats. Several villages in the Burgas region are without electricity. Electricity pylons have fallen in the village of Lucky. Emergency workers are waiting.
No. But oh my god.